Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak with Ray and Maya, where learning English is easy, practical, and fun. I'm Maya.
And I'm Ray. We're excited you're here today.
Ray, can I ask you a question?
Sure, go ahead.
How was your day?
Good.
That's it?
What do you mean that's it?
That's exactly what I mean. You said one word.
Well, you asked me how my day was, and I answered.
Technically, yes.
Technically?
Yes. But if this were a real conversation, it would probably end right there.
I see what you're saying.
And that's exactly what happens to many English learners every day.
Someone asks them a simple question,
How was your day?
and they answer,
Good.
or fine,
Or okay.
and then silence.
Nobody knows what to say next.
The conversation crashes,
The opportunity disappears.
and the learner starts thinking, maybe my English isn't good enough.
But here's the interesting thing.
Most of the time, the problem isn't grammar.
It isn't vocabulary.
It isn't pronunciation.
The real problem is that many learners don't know how conversations actually work.
Exactly.
Today, we're going to fix that.
By the end of this episode, you'll know how to answer this simple question naturally,
Confidently.
and in a way that keeps conversations going.
Plus, we'll share some common mistakes that even intermediate learners make.
And we'll give you real examples you can use today.
So stay with us.
This lesson might completely change the way you speak English.
But before we begin,
We have a challenge for everyone listening.
yes, a challenge.
Right now, think about your day.
Was it busy?
Relaxing?
Stressful?
Exciting?
We want you to answer this question in the comments.
How was your day?
But here's the rule.
You cannot answer with only one word.
No good,
No, fine.
no okay.
Use at least 3 complete sentences.
And don't worry about making mistakes.
That's how learning happens.
Ready?
Let's begin.
Ray, why do you think this question is so important?
Because people ask it everywhere.
That's true.
Friends ask it.
Family members ask it.
Classmates ask it.
Coworkers ask it.
Your neighbor might ask it.
Even people you've just met sometimes ask it.
It's one of the most common questions in English,
Yet it's also one of the most misunderstood.
especially for learners,
Why?
because learners often think the goal is to answer the question.
Isn't that the goal?
Not exactly.
Explain.
In many situations, how was your day is not really about collecting information.
Interesting.
It's actually an invitation to connect with someone.
So it's a conversation starter.
Exactly.
That changes everything.
It really does.
Because if someone says, How was your day? They're opening a door.
And your answer determines whether that door stays open.
Or closes immediately.
Let's look at an example.
Good idea.
Maya, how was your day?
Good.
Oh,
See?
I don't have much to work with.
The conversation feels stuck.
Now let's try again.
Okay.
Maya, how was your day?
It was pretty good. I spent most of the afternoon reading a book about communication.
Really?
Yes, and I learned some interesting ideas.
What kind of ideas?
Ideas about how people build strong relationships through conversation.
That's fascinating.
Notice the difference?
The conversation naturally continues.
Exactly.
We didn't force it.
We simply gave enough information.
That's a powerful lesson.
Speaking of lessons,
Let's talk about a mistake that many learners make.
oh yes.
This mistake is everywhere.
Ready?
Someone asks,
How was your day?
and the learner says,
My day is good.
have you heard that before?
Many times.
Is it understandable?
Yes.
Is it natural?
Not really.
Why not?
Because the question is talking about the past.
The day has already happened.
So we usually say,
My day was good.
not.
My day is good.
That's a small difference.
But small differences often make a big impact.
Let's practice.
I'll say the incorrect sentence.
And I'll correct it.
My day is good.
My day was good.
My day is busy.
My day was busy.
My day is exciting.
My day was exciting.
Excellent.
Now let's move to another common problem.
One-word answers.
Ah, yes.
Let's be honest.
Most people aren't impressed by one-word answers.
Imagine this.
You meet a friend.
You haven't seen them all week.
You ask.
How was your day?
And they say,
Fine.
end of conversation. It's hard to build a connection that way.
Here's a better strategy.
Instead of one word,
Use one word plus a reason.
great tip.
For example,
It was great because I finished an important project.
it was stressful because I had 3 meetings.
It was exciting because I received good news.
It was relaxing because I stayed home and watched movies.
Notice how easy that is?
One feeling.
One reason.
That's all you need.
Let's teach some useful vocabulary.
Excellent idea.
Instead of saying good every time,
Try these words.
productive.
Productive means you completed important tasks.
Example.
My day was productive. I finished everything on my to-do list.
Next word.
Relaxing.
Relaxing means calm and peaceful.
Example.
My day was relaxing. I spent time with my family.
Next.
Stressful.
Stressful means you felt pressure or worry.
Example.
My day was stressful because I had many deadlines.
Next.
Exhausting.
This means extremely tiring.
Example.
My day was exhausting. I was busy from morning until night.
Next word.
Interesting.
Example.
My day was interesting. I met someone from another country.
These words instantly make your English sound more natural.
And more expressive.
Here's a question for everyone listening.
Which word best describes your day?
Productive?
Relaxing?
Stressful?
Exhausting?
Interesting?
Think about your answer.
Because we're going to use those words in our next practice activity.
And trust me,
The next part gets even more interesting.
we're about to show you how fluent speakers answer this question.
Not textbook answers,
Not classroom answers.
real answers that native speakers use every day.
And some of them might surprise you.
So stay with us.